welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Sion and we're at Nambi Fashion. Today I'm here to show you another of our unique waist trainers in the sample room. So this waist trainer is this Neoprene square buckle and pulley waist trainer. Okay, look at the belt. This is a Neoprene waist trainer. So I'm sure you're familiar with the Neoprene waist trainer. But what makes this waist trainer really unique is this buckle. I'm sure you've never seen this before. So this waist trainer, as I said, it's a Neoprene, so it's made of 80% Neoprene and 20% nylon. So it's going to make you sweat a lot. And also this waist trainer has a YKK Zipper. Look at it. Can you see? It's a YKK Zipper. It's the most expensive and strongest zipper worldwide. Okay. This waist trainer comes in many designs, many colors. If you want custom, you can tell us about it too. So this one is black, as you can see. And look at the belt. I'm sure you've never seen this kind of belt. This belt is detachable. If you wanna use this waist trainer without the belt, then sure you can, because you can remove it. As you can see, you can remove the belt. If you wanna use it with the belt, sure. The main benefit of this buckle belt is for those of you who struggle to pull the belt on your waist trainer, then this one is going to be much more easy. So it's going to make it more easy for you guys to pull it and put it on your waist. And also we have different sizes that's going to include everyone. We have sizes ranging from 3 extra small to 6 extra large, so it's going to be able to fit anyone. All right, I'm going to wear it and you're going to see what it looks like. So you just saw how I put this waist trainer on. Did you notice how easy it was to put the belt because of this square buckle? So this makes it easier to pull and make it more tighter on your body, okay? So the main benefit of this is it's going to be more convenient to put it on. So look, if I want to tighten it more, I just put this back so that I have enough space to pull it. And then look, I can tighten it as much as I want. Look. So it's not going to be hard to pull the belt like it was before. This makes it more easier, as you notice. So it's going to give you the back support too. Look at this. Since you're pulling the belt really tight, it's going to support your back. You're going to sit straight and this improves your posture as well. So for those of you who want logo printing, do you see this part? This part is for your logos. We use the heat transfer method to print logos on waist trainers for this type of waist trainer. So you can print it here, and if you want, you can add it on the hook, like next to the hook parts or the zipper parts here. So we also have the same waist trainer but with 3 belts, okay? Look at it here. So this one has 3 belts. Look at it. So this one, so it means it has 3 detachable belts. And this is the same as the one before. So let me wear it for you guys and you're going to see what it looks like. The more belts a waist trainer has, the more it's going to hold you tighter. And this is neoprene, so the more it's going to hold you tighter, the more blood flow is going to be around your stomach areas, and the more you're going to sweat. That means the more you sweat, the more water weight you're going to lose, all right? So this is one of the benefits of this waist trainer. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're interested in any of our products, you can go to our website and check it out and send an inquiry, or you can send us a message on Instagram or comment down below, or even if you're interested in this product, you can give us a thumbs up and let us know, right? So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.